Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of wealth building, but we're going to think beyond the traditional avenues of stocks and real estate. Most people typically associate wealth building with investing in stocks and real estate. While these are great options, there are so many other opportunities out there that often get overlooked. Let's talk about the limitations and risks that come with solely focusing on stocks and real estate for building wealth. The market can be volatile, and putting all your eggs in one basket may not always yield the best results. Now here's where it gets interesting. Have you ever considered alternative wealth-building opportunities like entrepreneurship, intellectual property, or rare collectibles? These avenues have the potential to offer great returns and diversify your investment portfolio. But wait, there's more. Diversifying your wealth-building strategies beyond stocks and real estate can open up a world of exciting potential and advantages. By exploring different options, you can maximize your wealth-building potential and reduce risks. Wealth building. It's a concept that has been ingrained in our society for centuries. The idea that by accumulating assets, one can secure a prosperous future for themselves and their loved ones. Traditionally, when we think of wealth building, our minds often drift towards stocks and real estate. These two avenues have long been considered the pillars of financial success. But what if I told you that there are other, perhaps even more lucrative ways to build wealth? In recent years, the landscape of wealth building has evolved. With advancements in technology and changes in the global economy, new opportunities have emerged for those willing to think outside the box. While stocks and real estate remain solid investment options, there are now alternative avenues that offer potentially higher returns and greater diversification. One such avenue is cryptocurrency. In recent years, digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken the financial world by storm. These decentralized forms of money have proven to be highly volatile, but also incredibly profitable for those who have the foresight to invest early. With the rise of blockchain technology and the increasing acceptance of cryptocurrencies in mainstream society, many experts believe that this asset class has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about wealth building. Another alternative to traditional stocks and real estate is investing in startups. With the proliferation of tech companies and the growing trend of entrepreneurship, there are countless opportunities to invest in early-stage companies with high growth potential. While investing in startups carries a higher level of risk, the potential rewards can be astronomical. Just look at the success stories of companies like Uber, Airbnb, and Snapchat, which have created massive wealth for their early investors. Beyond stocks, real estate, cryptocurrency, and startups, there are also opportunities in alternative assets like art, collectibles, and precious metals. These tangible assets have intrinsic value and can serve as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Investing in art, for example, has long been a favorite pastime of the wealthy elite, with some pieces fetching millions of dollars at auction. Similarly, collectibles like rare coins, stamps, and vintage cars have proven to be valuable assets that can appreciate over time. In the ever-changing landscape of wealth building, it's important to think beyond the traditional avenues of stocks and real estate. By exploring alternative investment opportunities like cryptocurrency, startups, art, collectibles, and precious metals, investors can diversify their portfolios and potentially achieve higher returns. Of course, with greater reward comes greater risk, so it's essential to conduct thorough research and seek advice from financial professionals before diving into these alternative assets. However, as discussed earlier in the video, building wealth requires a diverse approach beyond traditional investments like stocks and real estate. Here are some alternative strategies and assets to consider in recent years. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Consider established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as emerging ones. Be mindful of the volatility and conduct thorough research. Blockchain projects. Invest in blockchain startups and projects that utilize this technology for various applications, from finance to supply chain management. Peer-to-peer, P2P lending. P2P lending platforms. Invest in P2P lending platforms where you can lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can offer higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds. Commodities, precious metals. Invest in gold, silver, platinum, and other precious metals as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Energy commodities. Consider investing in commodities like oil, natural gas, and renewable energy resources. Art and collectibles. Fine art. Invest in artwork by established and emerging artists. Art can appreciate significantly over time. Collectibles. Collect items like rare coins, stamps, vintage cars, and memorabilia. The value of these items can increase based on rarity and demand. Private equity and venture capital. Private equity funds. Invest in private equity funds that buy and restructure companies to increase their value. Venture capital. Invest in startups and early-stage companies with high growth potential. This can be done directly or through venture capital funds. Intellectual property, IP. Royalties. Invest in royalties from music, books, patents, and other intellectual properties. This can provide a steady stream of passive income. Licensing. Buy and license IP rights, benefiting from the commercialization of innovative ideas and products. Green and impact investments. Sustainable investments. Invest in companies and projects focused on sustainability, renewable energy, and environmental conservation. Social impact bonds. Invest in projects that aim to achieve positive social outcomes, such as improving education or healthcare while generating a financial return. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Publicly traded REITs. Invest in REITs to gain exposure to real estate markets without directly owning properties. Private REITs. Consider private REITs for potentially higher returns and less market volatility. Farmland and agriculture. Farmland investments. Purchase farmland and lease it to farmers, or invest in agricultural funds. Agribusiness stocks. Invest in companies involved in the production, processing, and distribution of agricultural products. Alternative lending and financing. Revenue-based financing. Invest in businesses by providing capital in exchange for a percentage of their future revenue. Factoring. Provide financing to businesses by purchasing their accounts receivable at a discount. Real assets. Timberland. Invest in forests and timberland, which can provide returns from timber sales and land appreciation. Water rights. Purchase water rights and lease them to agricultural or industrial users. Crowdfunding investments. Equity crowdfunding. Invest in startups and small businesses through crowdfunding platforms in exchange for equity. Real estate crowdfunding. Participate in real estate projects with smaller capital outlays compared to direct property investment. Diversifying your investment portfolio with these alternative assets and strategies can provide additional avenues for wealth building, reduce risk, and enhance potential returns. Always conduct thorough research and consider consulting with financial advisors to tailor these investments to your financial goals and risk tolerance. As we look towards the future of wealth building in 2024 and beyond, it's clear that the possibilities are endless. By embracing innovation and thinking outside the box, investors can position themselves for long-term financial success and secure a prosperous future for themselves and their families. So, don't limit yourself to stocks and real estate. Explore the world of alternative assets and discover new opportunities to build wealth in the digital age. In summary, thinking outside the box when it comes to wealth building can be incredibly beneficial. By exploring various investment options, you not only diversify your portfolio, but also increase your chances of building long-term wealth. So here's your call to action. I encourage you to explore unconventional wealth-building methods and share your own experiences and insights in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and grow together on this wealth-building journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, take care and happy investing.